Hello guys, welcome back. This is Fuel Network. I already covered that I think 2 months ago. I want to come back to it because I want to obviously push myself as well to keep on coming, especially to the free networks, free airdrops that you can do, and to remember to do it at least once a week or maybe even daily if you can. I will show you here again step by step, very simple, the easiest way to do it. I was slacking about, not gonna lie. I should have do it more often, but I didn't, and I'm just gonna run through everything. Fuel is obviously one of the biggest upcoming airdrops, with huge backing, with a lot of things going on. I'll show you in a second the ecosystem. As you can see, they are building a lot at the moment, but I'll just show you the simplest way to do some transactions, and that's it. So just let's jump right into it. First thing first, you need the Fuel wallet. You have it in your browser, something like that. You just create the wallet, install it, create the wallet, write down somewhere the seed phrase so you don't lose it, but everything is obviously in testnet, but just write it down because any potential airdrop you can receive in the same wallet. So just save it and put it somewhere safe. Install the wallet, then you go to the Faucet. I'll put the links down below as well, and you take your wallet address from inside your wallet, copy that and paste it here. I already did it. I'm not sure if it's gonna let me again today, or is it like every couple hours? Let me see. Yeah, I think it did send me some more. So this is what you're gonna get here, and you're gonna get some Ether here, because obviously it's all based on Ethereum network. Next step, I'll put the link down below as well to this page. This is one of the page from the ecosystem. Some of them are live but are not allowing, let's say, to do transactions. You can click on the other ones if you want to. There's also bridge. If you want, you can bridge from Fuel to Sepolia, which is like a testnet on Ethereum. If you have money in here, then obviously you can move it as well, connect the wallet, everything. You can do it as well. This would be one of the transactions to do, but I'll show you the Baiko here. If you go here, as you can see, put the link down below, every single page like that, you just connect your wallet, the Fuel wallet that you just installed, sign the transaction if needed, and it will take you to your dashboard, let's say, where you will create a vault first. So let's say, you know, some name or number. This is your address here, create it. That's it. You can do the Faucet here as well. I'm not sure if it's going to let you straight away. It should be fine. So you can do it as well here. As much as possible, try to do the faucets, obviously, to get more test money here. And you can see on the network everything is fine, and you can go back to your wallets here. I've got already a couple created, as you might know, a couple of them vaults, but basically you will see something like that. You should get the money here. If not, just click updating to be able to see it. So what I did is, when you press on send, you can put some transaction name if you want to, and the recipient, I copied my own address, which I think should work fine, but I'm not absolutely sure. So I'll put my address below. You can take my address and copy it here. You can put yours addresses below, other as well for other people, and you just need to basically create a transaction, send some money as low as possible. So I'm gonna do 0.0001, let's say, like the lowest possible, just to send a tiny bit, just to create some movement, fee network, everything, and you create that transaction. As you can see, you've got sign it here, sign it, and everything should be fine. You signed, and that's basically it in the nutshell. I want to make this video quick so you can have a very fast overview of Fuel, how to do the transactions. If you do them daily, would be perfect. Just a simple stuff like that to be able to obviously earn those points, hopefully to get the airdrop. I'm not sure when it's gonna be. If you know, let me know in the comments, please, because I didn't check their Twitter recently, but it should be maybe this year, hopefully. So just keep on adding those points. It's a very nice network, and as you can see here, they are building a lot. I showed in that ecosystem, a lot of things are being built, so it's definitely going to have a very nice launch, and hopefully we can make some money on it. Hyperlink that I mentioned in another video, or Bitter Finance, is coming as well. Pit is very famous already, so very nice chance to have a good decent airdrop. So thank you guys for watching.